that so you don't die from the urine feeding.
You can't handle it.
This shit needs to be broken.
What do you mean by break the seal? I think you've...
You know what the shit is? You don't know the shit is?
What do you...
I didn't know what the shit is.
Such a cutie pie. Bombs like...
Bow! She just comes out and paints you. You're just like... She's out there laying out and you're like...
It's weird because she covers up in this way that makes her...
Yeah.
But when you see her, you're like...
Yeah. Yep.
Hide in the toilet. Hide in the toilet. Come on, Mikey.
Your 1 minute of burping time starts now.
Mikey. Yeah.
Don't drink any more of it. Striking belch. Let's have a look at the contenders. This is gruesome.
That one was really bad.
Say that one again, that was a good one.
The milk wet one.
Oh, he's fancy your sausage cake.
Do you read me over? I just like sitting around and doing nothing. That you'll ever do in your life. It has been absolutely amazing.
Fucking Biaz disco.
Oh my god, that beer's amazing.
Is that burp off, yeah? Wait, what?
No outro BBB. Ele arrota lá na nossa cara toda hora.
Aqui pra irritar.
It's just classic. I just. Oh man, let me go to the toilet first. Did you call them, Alex?
No creo que me pase nada, ¿no?
Cantidad grande ya te hubiera dado una reacción ahora mismo. Pero como no ha sido nada, eso no pasa nada. Ya te sientes mal.
Me ha sentado bien, entonces, quiere decir, ¿no?
Lo sacaron, ¿no? ¿Cuándo se sacaron? A las 2. Es más, ella me dice, por favor, no digas nada. Ella no lo pasó. No, nadie.
Estaba entrenando con nosotros, cagado de hambre.
Espérate con nosotros.
Gracias, guacho.
¿Y vos?
Sí, vos. El que quería agua.
¿Vos te vas a hacer otro? ¿Me haces uno de boldo?
¿De boldo?
Ay, qué rico.
Te gustó la milanesa.
Me vuelvo. Check it. Yeah. It's our first date. Oh, my date's just so cute.
Oh, big brother!
Like in the I'd say he's
Yeah.
fucking loopy.
I think he's hilarious, probably.
For sure.
Imagine like a plane flew over like a little sacks of alcohol and ice cream.
God, that would be sweet.
Oh, I wouldn't leave this place all night. I'd do like this.
It's fucking cold out here.
I'm actually shaking right now. My legs
It's
like
cold?
Yeah. I'm wearing.
How many is left? None. 2.
Few.
2. 3.
More than 2. More than 3, but not a lot. It's unfortunate.
Well, whatever.
It is
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
We were okay with it for the few days that we
Well, we didn't even have those, so it's a gift. It's a gift.
Oh, it is a gift. It's a beautiful gift. This is with.
Oh my God! This is con club, strip club.
To you, big brother. Oh wow!
Don't worry, I'm a lifeguard.
That was
Perfect.
You should be.
I'm coming back.
You shouldn't be scared.
Okay, I think officially the show.
However.
Okay. Silence in the audience. We have. Oh fuck! Security, who let him in?
He is security. That's what kind of shit show you're running here. Okay, you know what?
Andrew is with me.
Lindsay, I got a little bit excited.
Okay, I think, you know what? That was good.
My left nut so gosh darn hard, it's not even
run
funny.
like that, you jam.
When I'm coming in, you go boom, jam. Oh, that's how we go getting over.
I'm gonna go. So this is another episode.
It's me, Jan.
Josh, you gotta come sit in the middle. Here, come here. Come sit in the middle.
John Balls came in, you'd be screwed.
You guys have Martin.
Let's go.
What's your thing?
Just want to fucking.
Yes, wait.
Excuse me.
Seriously, fucking on real good.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. The demons escaping.
Jay does yacht.
Go everywhere. They have a place called Base Coast, or Base Coast, I think is what it's called. You heard of it?
Well, I must have another cup of tea.
Thumb up.
How is it?
Are they good?
Oh.
Which ones are better? Why? She wasn't supposed to eat cookies? Arlie, you're good at these?
Buddy, I crushed so much.
No.
Were they good, the steak ones?
No.
Better than the shrimp?
All I had was.
I can't think with sugar in my throat.
I like
that.
back to
I'll
back.
wait at good.
like
30, 40 minutes.
I'll line top you like my back on you, and they won't see you, and you can sleep under it.
Yeah, that one. And then Johnny
Okay,
Depp
I'll do that for you.
like all these
Fist pump occasionally.
Yeah, last year she was all up in the.
You're gonna throw
Love
a
it.
fist pump every
Love
once
it.
in a while, but
Love
I don't
it,
just
Allison.
dance like this. You know, like I'll be dancing, then your tune will drop.
Sassy
What
and
to do?
Aussie.
I can. Sorry, this is
So you're gonna
trying.
get blown away.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what I was doing was like a gay accent, like Canadian guy.
That's not nice!
It's not nice to have no emotion. I agree. Why do you do it?
You guys took all the emotion. You fart, really?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because then, well,
We fucking then Kenny's gone no matter what.
Yeah.
We get through this week, Kenny goes home no matter what.
That would be the best ever.
I had weird things, I mean instant.
Me too.
It just is what it is at this point.
Yeah.
Can't ask for more.
No.
Can't be in a better position.
This is the best, and then if we get... It's a good day.
It's an amazing day. It's an amazing day in the rap game.